Yo, hello my friends. How are you, huh? How are you feeling? What the news? Okay, today I have this car. It's Toyota Verso 1.8 petrol MMT multimode. So, and I will show you. I don't know what what the problem, but I think this story of the car. The car was about 3 months, few garage. Then was repaired the gearbox. Was removed, was disassembly gearbox. Something changed, bearing, I don't know what, okay? And put back the gears actuator, clutch actuator. Them did a lot of mistakes. One of mistake, it was the clutch actuator was on not right place. I did it, okay, but still I have still some problem, and I will show you how to understand the problem and how to resolve it. Okay, I don't know what, maybe gearbox is wrong and it is not possible to repair. We will see. Okay, but look at this, what can be and how to resolve it. So I'm connected to the car. Where is the key? It's not working. So first of all, I need to check the trouble code. Before I do something, need to know what is the trouble code. And you must erase it. Maybe it's old, maybe it's in history. Clear. And now I don't have trouble code, yes? Trouble code? No trouble code. Okay. So I received the car without trouble code. What to do? But it's not working. So need to erase it and do this again. We need the trouble code. If the car has some problem, must be trouble code. No way that is no trouble code. You see? And still don't has. Okay, what I will do, I'm turn off the switch, waiting. Turn on the switch and do this again. Reverse, plus minus, reverse, until I have the trouble code. Okay, no trouble code, yes? No trouble code. Oh, yes, I got it. Okay. P0909. What it mean? Gate select controller off. It means that we have some problem or with the gearbox or with the gears actuator. Maybe it not in right position and someone placed not good. Okay, so I will show you how it happens and what happens when you did learning with this trouble code. Sometimes this can be resolved if you do learning, but sometimes not. And let's do the learning, okay? I have two computers, as usual. I have one learned and another one. I will make the learning on this one, and this I will use for understand what is the trouble code. So this computer always learned, and I'm not do learning on this, only on this. Let's do it. Let's erase the trouble code. Part exchange. I need step 3, I don't need step 1. I will choose select all, you know. Next. And now, when I push the next, what will happen with transmission control module? The computer will erase all data, all data, all parameters about gears, clutch. And when we will turn on the switch, it will record, it must to start to do new learning and will record new parameters about first gear, second gear, clutch position. But if it not happens, it will no record and will no neutral, will no trouble code. Look at this. So I push the next, click the next, turn the ignition switch off and next. Okay. Now, from this moment, it's no matter what they say this computer. I'm waiting. Click. Yes. There. It's now. Now, I will turn on the switch and it will start to learn. And you will see how it happens. First step, he pushed the clutch and start to engage the gears. And you will hear, you will see that it pushed the clutch and try to engage some of gears. No, I just know, I did it before, okay? You will hear the same noise, like click, click, click. What it mean? It try to engage one of gear and no luck. It trying again, no luck. The learning stop and fouled. Look at this. I'm going to turn on the switch. And stop. You heard it? It was same noise. Click, 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 click. It no luck to engage some of gears. No luck. And after that, we have no neutral, and it's no matter, really. It's, I never wait this. When he said turn off the switch, we need to turn off the switch and wait until the main relay will switched off. That's all. Okay. It's complete. Yes, it's complete. But we don't have a neutral. What complete? And now I'm going to data. You see, it's no data. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's no parameters. He just don't know where it must be. First gear, second gear, third gear, clutch position. Don't know. And this is the reason why it's no neutral. You see, current gear position unset. He don't know, and we don't have a neutral and no trouble code. How he can recognize trouble code if no parameters? It's impossible. Look at this. Trouble code. No trouble code. And will no trouble code. Okay, so what I need to do? I will remove this gears actuator and will check if the all gears are engaged in gearbox because it was on the repair some of garage, and how install it the gears actuator. And I will show you how to check gears actuator before removing, how to check it if it on right position. Okay, so follow me. So let's remove this gears actuator. We need to remove it. Oh, it's like plastic, it's not rubber. Oh, okay. I see. So, okay. And now I will show you how it must be. Oh, you see? Okay, we need to remove, it's a neutral sensor and this bolt for 18. Oop. It's for 27. Oh, even it's not tightened. Wait a minute. I don't remember, it must be a washer. Yeah, I think it's a lot of mistakes. Them did a lot of mistakes. Them not did the repair good. Oh, it's also not tighten. Okay. I think this must be with washer. Ah, no, this must be with washer. Or not? Yes. Okay. Oh, look inside. It's not on the middle. You see? Wait, I will put screwdriver. Look at this. It's not on the middle. Not. Now let's remove the sensors. These two sensors. How I remove this wire? I can't remove this wire. Oh, you see, it's no one has opened them. So them remove the gears actuator and put it back, but it's not good. Oh, it's fly away. Yes, it was not removed. Look at this. Look. Now it will free. No? It's not free. Yes, you see? Ah, no. Ah, it's moving. First of all, yeah, you see, it's not. Yes, the gears. Oh, you see, it's fly away. No one has holding. This is the mistake of that, guys. So in any case, we need to remove the gears actuator. I need to repair it again. So I will remove it. Do you understand what the problem? You see? This is the problem.
So now they're showing clutch P0810 clutch position control error.
Clutch actuator problem. So you need 2 clutch actuators.
No, you remember I tell you this car, right?
Yes,
When
yes.
you change the gearbox is not in the right position. I tell you yesterday, you remember your car gave me a
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Wait, this is six speed gearbox?
I don't know, it's a petrol 1.6
Yes. What the year?
2008.
2008. Yes, it's a 5-speed gearbox.
Oh, so they thank God they said clutch position error.
Yes.
So
You need clutch.
what I'm going to do?
I need to send you no 2. Yes. You need 2 clutch actuators.
No, just send me one, no problem. But what happened? This one, you remember the new gearbox, right?
Okay.
The guy put wrong positions, right? I little bit move, I little bit down like that, right? I have no idea, so it still give me trouble. So maybe this is the trouble like that. You understand?
As you need to remove clutch actuator, make the shaft maximum out and put it back again. And make learning.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Right, okay. So I take it out now. Right?
Yes, yes, yes. Take it out now.
Like, yeah.
And make as usual.
As usual. Okay. Okay, look, I try to start now. Or I clear this fault or no?
Yes, clear it. Yes.
Okay. Clear first. Yeah. Clear it. Yes. So, do you want me to clear again or I can open the actuator?
Yes, there. You need to open the actuator.
Okay. Yeah, I'll open it now. Okay. See what happened then, okay? I'll
Yes.
call you back in a minute, okay?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
So I removed it, and what is the problem? Look at this, look at this, look at this. I will show you. You see? It's free. It's not on the right place, And this, I also don't know. This, it's no matter, no. Okay, let's remove the motors and check all of them. So I repaired this gears actuator, put it in the right position. Now I will show you. I didn't make the video. I have another video follow. Maybe I will make the link below, down, no matter. Let's look at this. Now I will show you how it must be before you install it. Okay, look at this. As I'm taking the gears actuator, I'm taking the screwdriver, and I'm moving. Look at this. The motor on the bottom, you see? But I'm not moving a lot, not. It's by the end, and now I'm checking. Where is location? You see, where is the location? Okay, this one, and another one. I'm rotate this motor. I'm going, hold with the hand, and now you see this pin and this anti-pin. Okay, it must be like this. After that, I'm going to the middle. I'm going. This part must be on the middle. In any case, you will not engage. Oh, you see, on the middle. Yes, on the middle. Yes. And now what I have? Wait, little, not on the middle. Just little. Yes, on the middle. This gear, it's no matter. It's circle. And this one, you see what is position like this. Okay, and now I will install it without motors and without sensors, and after that I will hold them only on two bolts, this and this I will not put, it's not need. Now I want to show you how to check that the gearbox is all right before you install the gears actuator. If you did some, or someone else did some changes, repair. As look, we have yes, I see. I'm taking the screwdriver by this hole. I'm going, then this for first and second, this for third and fourth, and this for fifth and reverse. I'm making the first, second. I don't know which way the first or second, it's no matter, we will see. It's the one. Okay, yes. Okay. Now another one. Okay. Even I can. Yes. Now it's engaged. First and second, it's okay. Now third and fourth. I'm going like this. Okay. And this okay. Okay. And the last. It's okay. This fifth. And this must be reversed. Yes, you see? All gears are engaged. It's all okay. Now I can install the gears actuator. Okay, now I'm installing the gears actuator without sensors and without motors. Let's do it. How to do it? Need to be careful that the shaft will not go out. Oh, you see? Without motors, it's okay. Оп, давай. Yes. Oh, now let's put few bolts. Okay, and now how to check that I have installed it good. That's good. This on the middle, yes, on the middle, and this must be on this position. You see? As this $35 millimeters. 35, 36, 35 and half. Okay, it's one. And now what I'm doing with another one, I'm moving it. Look at this. To the end, and where it must be, you see which of position? This position must be another one. And now I can install the sensors. How to install it? You need wait a minute. We have the spring. Click. You heard that click? So you put on this. It moving by himself back. It means that it's on spring. Okay. See? Yes. And now this one. Remember, this must be on this position, clockwise, maximum clockwise. And now I can install this sensor. How it must be? I put it maximum to the anti-clockwise and turn clockwise. Heard that click? It also moving back, you see, by himself. It means it is on spring. Okay. Wait. Yes. And now I'm installing the motors. As I told you, I will now tighten all of bolts. I will tighten only 2 bolts for each of motors. First, I'm installing the, maybe like this. I'm not see. Wait a minute, need some spring. Yes, system selection, MMT. Powertrain, yes.
Yes, and then MMT module control.
Yes.
ECU. Yes. Now they're coming all code, so I clear the code or go for a special function.
Clear all code and go to special function.
Special function part exchange installation, right?
Part exchange, yes.
Yes. Okay, this function is to tell you part. Okay, to confirm procedure. Okay. And neutral position, yes. Ignition on, shift lever in, and voltage. Okay, yeah, okay. And perform the step 3. Is okay.
Yes. Perform step 3, yes.
Okay. And
the neutral sensor with the washer. And this bolt. So how it not was like this. Whew, so I put all parts back. Oh, okay. And now I can do learning. Yes, yes. And we will see if we'll luck or no luck, success, no success, we will see. Because really I don't know how the guy was repaired this gearbox. I checked the gears first, second, it's okay, but how, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Let's do the learning and we will see. So I'm connect. Turn ignition off. And now when I will turn ignition on, it must start to do learning. I will put my camera that we will see the clutch actuator and we will hear all sounds. Yes, I'm going to turn ignition on. Oh, 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 oh. I think it's learned. Let's check. Yes! Yes! You see? We have a neutral. Yeah! We have a neutral. It means that the gearbox is learned. Now we turn off the switch. Waiting. Turn on the switch with no brakes. No brakes. Okay. And now I'm push the brake and start the engine, and it will learn touch point of the clutch. The neutral must flashing and light on. Let's go. What the? It's no starter. Something wrong with the battery, I think. Hey. No, but it's closed. Why? Let's do it again. Yes. It's no battery. Oh. I need to connect my battery and try again. Okay, let's do it. So I put the wires. Let's try. Так, what I did, yes, push the brake, start the engine. What? Hey. Something wrong. It's starter no good. Aye. Oh! You saw this? Yes, it's working. Look at this, huh? Yeah. Yes. You see? You saw? I did it. Again. Okay, I need to fly. Someone wait me. So thank you for watching. If you need some help, some parts, all parts I sell in all parts, refurbish it with warranty, full support. Call me, message me. I can fix via any desk, online. I did it a lot of time. All day someone call me, message me, help me, and I help to everybody. Okay? It was too too stoned under the wheel. Yeah, working, no problem.